Continental is a tyre company that is driven by technology. It matters so much to the company, it is absolutely at their core in every way. Here's a video about why technology matters so much to Continental. Can you tell if a tyre from Continental has what Continental refers to as its silent technology? On the move, it's very difficult to tell, which is a good thing really, because you don't get any compromises in terms of grip or feel or adjustability or anything like that, but what you do get is just a quieter tyre. It is that simple. The technology involved is quite complex, and I'll explain a little bit more about it here.
By designing an inner layer of polyurethane foam, then fitting this to the inside of a tyre directly beneath the treads, Continental's silent technology manages to block vibrations and reduces road noise by up to 9 decibels. That makes a big difference to how much perceived noise a tyre generates on the move, especially from inside the cabin. Yet ContiSilent can be fitted to any summer tyre, and it doesn't affect that tyre's performance one bit, says Continental. Now that's clever, albeit in a quietly confident kind of way.
Cheers for watching. Remember to subscribe if you like this video, and see you next time.